most important part of Shopify dropshipping business and the e-commerce in general is finding the winning product. Once you find the winning products, everything will start changing and changing the history. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing and reveal 3 winning products that you can start selling right now on your store, on your Shopify store, or your e-commerce website. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and like this video. Number 3 winning product is called electric body massaging machine. This is special for relaxation and body massaging in general, and is suitable for massaging the neck, shoulders, the back, arms and legs, and other parts of the body. And the good thing about this product is that it can be shipped to almost worldwide. And if you are in the United States, it can take only 7 to 15 days because they ship using e-packed, as you can see here. E-packed usually is fast. It can take only 7 to 15 days if you are located in the United States. But also, if you are not in the United States, still you can order this product and sell on your Shopify store or your e-commerce website because they ship worldwide. So, as you can see here, this is the way the product looks. If you want more specifics, here you can see the specifics. I use 3 batteries, as you can see here. You can see there. So the number of orders here, more than 3,000 people have ordered this product. So this shows that there is a demand on this product. So if you sell this product on your store, you'll get so many customers. And the rating of this product is also good, as you can see here. Customers are appreciating about this product. As you can see, most are satisfied with this product. So if you want to order this product, be confident that it's a good product because the customers that have bought this product have rated highly, have appreciated that the product meets their demands, so their needs. And this product is evergreen product because people always want to improve their health. So if you sell this product, you'll sell for a long period of time. It's not only a seasonal product, this is evergreen product. So if you want to sell this product, don't forget to order this product and sell on your Shopify store or e-commerce website. Another product that you can sell on your Shopify dropshipping store or your e-commerce website is called Fit Care Punch or Plaster, as you can see it here. And the good thing about this product also, it is already clear that there is a demand out there. As you can see here, more than 3,000 people have ordered this product, and the rating is 4.8. So the rating also is good and convincing. This shows that this product meets the people's needs, and there is a demand out there. As you can see here, this is how the product looks like, as you can see here. And also, if you scroll down there, this product, you'll find the seller accepts dropshippers. So if you are also learning a Shopify dropshipping, number 1 product that I can recommend you to sell on your store is called Waist Shaper. There is a demand about this product. As you can see, so many people have ordered this product, and the price also is affordable. As you can see, for the last few days, there are more orders or people who have ordered this product. So there are so many people who want to buy this product. So what you should do is just to concentrate on marketing and on marketing. So if you learn successful ads, you'll get so many orders about this product, because there are so many people who are fighting to solve this problem. People want to shape their bodies. There are so many out there, and it's not only a seasonal product. This we call evergreen product, because it won't run out of fashion. This is not a fashion. It's about solving people's problems. There are so many people out there who want to solve their problems. So if you sell this product, we know that it is clear that you will get so many customers. As you can see here, also the number of orders here in the past few days tells us that so many people out there who are in need of this product. And the good thing that you can sell this product anywhere in the world. The sellers in this site accept orders from different parts of the world. So wherever you are, you can order this product. And if we check the buyers' ratings, it's also good. As you can see here, one of the buyers says, "Great quality, I love it, and it fits perfectly." So as you can see here, most of the buyers have rated this product well. So this means that it solves their problems and it meets their needs. So you have no excuse right now, because even the price is only $3.4 to 3.6. So it's affordable. So you can start selling this product now, and you don't have to worry anything, because there are other buyers who have already satisfied with this product. So this tells us that even when you order this product, you are